Hi guys, today I want to touch bases on a different way how to share some information between Business Center projects. Let me open up a new one, a blank new project. I'm gonna go with the blank template. So let's say I have a project which I created way back when. Now I want to import just few Business Center native objects in. To do that, we're gonna use link files, so VCL. The way to do that is under export and construction tab. If you scroll all the way down, there is a VCL project link exporter. Now I already have a file where I exported a print sheet. As you can see, I just opened a blank file and there is nothing in here. Let us just drag and drop it here, and you're gonna see that it imported the dependent object to whatever I exported. So if I would to look at this new print sheet, obviously there is a new print sheet. If you want to exchange native Trimble Business Center objects between projects. I ran into this one the other day where one of my guys opened a Business Center project with the old template where I did not have the 11 by 17 portrait, just a landscape. And instead of redoing everything or re-exporting everything and importing, I was able to just send him this VCL file, and he just added the portrait in there, and I was happy. Hope you found this informative. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, visit our blog, comment, ask questions, email us, and we'll see you next time.